How to get default wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Wallpaper. This section lets you change and customize the wallpapers for both your lock screen and home screen. Inside the Wallpaper menu, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. You can browse through various categories like weather, emoji, and collections. Once you have selected a wallpaper, tap on Add at the top right corner. From the pop-up that appears, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it to both screens. Finally, tap on Set as Current to finalize your selection. Following these steps, you can easily get the default wallpaper on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.